Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix cannot connect to App Store error on your iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply close this page, and then let me tell you that I have four methods to solve this problem. Hopefully any of them will fix your problem as well. So for the first method, what you have to do is just simply open settings, and then let me tell you that if you're using Wi-Fi, then you have to tap on Wi-Fi, and from here you have to check that your Wi-Fi connection is strong enough or not. If it's not enough, then what you have to do is just simply close this one, and then again open it again. And from here what you have to do is just simply go back from here, and if you're using mobile data, then you have to tap on mobile data, and from here you have to turn the toggle off for this and turn it on again, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply open settings again, and then let me tell you that you have to tap on your Apple ID, and from here you have to sign out your Apple ID for 60 seconds and then sign it again, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem select is there, then what you have to do is just simply open settings again, scroll it on, and you have to tap on general, and from here you have to tap on date and time, and from here make sure that both of these toggle is on. If both of these are on, then what you have to do is just simply open settings again and then tap on general, and then scroll it down from here, and you can see here transfer or reset iPhone. So just simply tap on this and then tap on reset again, and from here you have to tap on reset network setting, and you have to give your passcode here and then tap on reset network setting. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory default. So after doing all these things, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.